Give me 2 pairs. I need 2 pairs. YouTube family. I need them 2 pairs, man. What's going on with y'all? Welcome back to yet another video. It is your boy Jay, man, coming at y'all with a unboxing and a promo video, man. Shout out to my folks over at Grail Brand. I know a lot of y'all asked me about this tee before in the past, man. This is one of the products that Grail Brand does offer, but we gonna dive into all that here in a second, man. If this is your first time stopping through, man, welcome. Welcome, man. I truly appreciate y'all pulling up as always, too. OGs and everybody else that's been rocking out with your boy. Salute to y'all, man. I thank all the support that y'all have been giving your boy, man. Look, a lot of y'all seen that shooter that I had showed yesterday, because that video went crazy on the numbers, man. So I appreciate everybody who watched that video and left a comment down below. This video too is one of them videos, really every video, man. I need y'all to comment and talk to your boy, let me know about, you know, the pickups and what y'all think about what's shown in the video, so I can know, you know, what to bring to the channel. But besides all that, first comers, if this is y'all first time, like I said, make sure y'all stick around, hit that subscribe button, and as well as if you were just watching it in general, hey, give it a thumbs up for just the content, the daily content, man. I've been keeping my word, y'all. I've been keeping my word of hitting y'all with these videos every day. I spoke about this about 3 months ago. I was like, look, I'm gonna try to hit y'all with some videos every day. I just need the engagement from y'all, man. So look, if y'all want me to keep hitting y'all with these videos, all I need for y'all to do is hit that like button, man. But yes, man, we got a few things to talk about today, and I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Let's dive right into it by getting with the sponsors of today's video. Appreciate y'all. Bang, man. So shout out to today's sponsors of the video, Grail Brand, man. Grail Brand is a up and coming clothing, streetwear brand, shoes, hey, everything that you need, man. They got it all coming. You can check them out over on Instagram. Right there, that's their Instagram. Everything will be linked down below in the description. But they did send your boy over a package. We can call this an early package to say, because they are taking pre-orders on one of the things that we do have here in this box, man. So we want to start. All right, let's start with this. Let's start with this, man. So this is, bruh, they be coming through with the heat, boy. They be coming through with the heat, man. So first things first, you see how it's packaged up. Dope packaging. Take a look at the back, man. BMF, man. Blowing money fast. Can we get a good clear up? Never mind, we'll take it out, man. But they sent your boy over the Detroit BMF hat, which is fire, man. If y'all have watched my videos in the past, they sent me over quite a few different fitted hats, and this one is dope, man. This is the Detroit joint. Bang! Take a look at that. You do got, it look like it's Lil Meech, man. That's Lil Meech right there. And then you do got, of course, Southwest T, the character who plays him right there, man. If y'all are not familiar with what's going on Stars right now, they do have the whole BMF series, which has been dope in my opinion. I thought it'd been going crazy, but the Blowing Money Fast BMF Detroit hat, this is cold. Got it in my size. Of course, BMF on the back. This is dope, man. So got these right here. You know, I can throw these on with my sneaker of the years, right? My Air Jordan 4 SB Pine Greens, or a lot of other shoes, man. But this is dope. Exclusively over at Grail Brand. This is the type of products they have. Like I did tell y'all, the shirt, the dope. Let me show y'all the shirt, man. Look at that, bruh. Michael Jordan with the band X's on the bottom on the shoes, bruh. Dope product what they have over on Grail Brand, man. So check them out. Give them a follow over on IG. This is one of the things that they do have over there. And they sent your boy something else, man. Bang, man. So here we go. Before y'all seen my light, man, you see what that says, man. Grail Brand on the top. I'm trying not to make y'all see my light, but Grail Brand written on the top, that bright yellow and red writing right there. It does have that child's play type of writing font, because this is a child's play shoe, man. So take a look at that, the details. I don't know if y'all can see it with all what's going on with my light back there, man, but the yellow and blue box, it's the good guy. So this right here is a sample pair, y'all. It's a sample pair. The pair that will be going out will be very, very similar to this one. I showed y'all this pair back a while back if y'all have been rocking out with your boy, but he did send your boy that good old size Nina. So this is a personal this time, man. So he sent your boy over this personal, and look, see what it say right there, man. Come on, light, don't get in the way. Playtime is over, man. Playtime is over, man. So let's take off this lid real quick and see this size 9 that he sent your boy, man. So dopeness, of course. Child's Play theme right there on the top of the box lid. Hard. Like I said, y'all, pre-orders are available right now. Check the link in the description to the website. You can get pre-orders over there. Bang, man, he sent your boy over the Child's Play joints, man. So exclusively from Grail Brand, the Child's Play, I'm gonna call these the Child's Play ones, bro. Child's Play ones, y'all have seen these on the channel before. If you know, you know. Bang! But this time your boy Jay has a personal, man. So, bro, these right here go stupid, man. These are dope, bro. Dope idea on, you know what I'm saying, what looks to be, I know y'all gonna be like, Jordan 1, this and that, but nah, he put his own little twist on it. And of course, there's no checks, there's no nothing on here, but cold, man. Halloween 2023, y'all can look forward to seeing your boy. I might even dress up as Chucky, bro. I might have to dress up as Chucky just because of these shoes, man. So there are pre-orders available right now over at Grail Brand, and it's only a limited amount, man. So if you want to get your hands on a pair of these early, go ahead, check it out over at Grail Brand right now. The first time he did do pre-orders on these, they sold out pretty quick, man. So I know he's doing it all over again. And hey, here's your chance to get a pair if you never got them the first go round, man. But G can stand for good guy or GRAILD, however you want to put it. These are clean, man. Orange lace is popping. So I will throw these on feet 100%. And it look like we got some 3M, of course, some 3M right there on that little side area. So clean, bro, clean, man. So here they go right here. If y'all want a pair, get them locked in over at Grail Brand, as well as that hat. Dopeness, man. Tees, whatever you need, bro. So they got a lot of dopeness over there, man. So check them out over at Grail Brand today. You won't be disappointed, man. But let's see what your boy done had to get 2 pairs of. You feel me? Let's get to it. Appreciate y'all. Bang, man. So here we go. We do have a package that I had to get another pair of, man, before it's too late. And it's crazy, this is one of them shoes that I didn't even think I was gonna want, bro. And then I ended up getting a pair in hand, and I had to double up, man. I said, let me grab it while the prices are cheap, man, while the prices are low. You feel me? Had to do that, man. So popping open the box, your boy did go to a certain place and pick this up. I don't know if there'll be any tags or anything on the inside of this, but I'm working with another company right now, so I can't say this company's name. If you know, you know. But anyways, we gonna pop this open. What we got? We got a little receipt, a weigh bill on the top right there. We ain't worried about that. Let's get these shoes out, man. Let's get these shoes out. Double up, double up, double up. Bang, man. So here is the box. As you can see, Jordan Wings logo right there towards the bottom. Yeah, got them, man. So size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Low SE. Color blocking is white, black. Popping open the lid, man. We are, oh, stickers done fell, man. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. You feel me? But moving this back, removing this back, showing the kicks we got. Bang, man. We got another pair of the Air Jordan 1 Low SE Concord joints. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I had to. You know, hey, low life, bro. Y'all already know the vibes of these, man. But as you can see, your boy had to go and snag up another pair. Bang! Before it was too late, man. So your boy did go ahead and grab another pair of Air Jordan 1 Lows. I did throw on my original pair not too long ago. As y'all can see, it's dirty, and I didn't put no sole protectors on it, so I said, man, it's a cheap shoe, let me just go ahead and double up on them and keep one nice and fresh. If I ever mess up that one, I'll just put sole protectors on this one so that I can keep it clean. But definitely a clean pair of Air Jordan 1 Lows in my opinion, man. What are y'all thoughts on these? Clean, clean, clean. And I think I paid like $140 out the door. $140 out the door, which is not bad for these. I definitely see the price of these going up because of course it is a real like Jordan Concord theme, as I mentioned in my first look video. You can see it does have that Jordan 11 Concord type of font and color on the inside, man. But definitely one I had to double up on, man. So hey, did I do bad by doubling up on these? Should I have just let them stay where they was at? Nah, bro, I buy what I like, man, and this is what I like. I like lows. These are dope, so I had to double up on these. And yeah, man, that's it for the unboxing. And real quick, y'all, I want to talk to y'all about the upcoming weekend's release, of course, we do have. Let's do this. Yes, sir. The Air Jordan 11 Low white cement joints, man. So these right here, solid shoe, bro. Solid shoe releasing this weekend. I just want to talk to y'all real quick. How many of y'all are going after this shoe? How many of y'all? Is this shoe gonna sit? I'm so curious to know what these are gonna do, man, because this is just such a clean shoe. And normally, man, Jordan 11, not Jordan 1. It look like we a little bright, ain't it? It's a little bright. Let me turn down some of this light, man. A little too bright, but anyways, right there. All right, so usually Jordan 11 lows, they do pretty good. They sell out. They don't sit around too often. And this is actually one of the better looking colorways in my opinion, man. If any of you guys want a size 11, I do have a size 11 in hand. I can let y'all get. Holla at your boy over at JTSG Closet on Instagram. I'll work out, you know what I'm saying, the numbers with y'all, overnight shipped it to y'all. Y'all have it just like that. But if you want an 11, that's the only size I have. That's extra, of course. But these right here, clean, solid shoe in my opinion, man. I will hit y'all with the reviewing on feet, and we'll throw some extra laces and all that good stuff in here. If you haven't seen my first look video of these, my early look actually, go ahead and check that out, man. Not a bad shoe, man. But this weekend, hey, $190. That might be the killer, the price point, but I still think it's a solid shoe, man. If it does sit, I think it'll be because the price point, but I definitely see these moving out, like getting sold on the sneakers app, but you know, in stores they might be sitting around, man. So let me know your thoughts and opinions. I'm curious to know who's copping and who's just, you know, leaving them behind. But y'all let me know down below. And other than that, your boy Jay is checking out with all the pickups, man. Shout out to Grail Brand as always for sponsoring the video. Make sure y'all check them out. Go to the website if y'all want to pre-order any of those items that I showed y'all, or if you want to pick up any of those items. The hat, where's the hat? Right here. Whew, dopeness. If y'all want to get this, I think it's for sale right now. You don't have to pre-order, man. So he has this one as well as several others, man. So check them out. That is it for this video. Your boy Jay is checking out with the pickups, the double ups, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully I might have an on feed for the 11s tomorrow. If not, it'll be up on Friday, but it's coming soon, man. Y'all stay blessed. Smash that like button, and I'm gone to the next time, man. Peace.